I created a GitHub organization to host community projects I want to develop with you. If you're interested, you can already find a couple of projects. One is built in Next.js and the other in Quick. The mission of this community is basically the same as the primary mission of this YouTube channel, that is learning web development through open source. And that's exactly what I would like this community to become. Basically a place where everyone can contribute to projects, where every project is basically a safe space where everyone can get just better in web development. So once again, we're not trying to create a startup or build the most successful project, while the goal is 100% on learning. But what about me? Well, my name is Leonardo, I'm a GitHub star and front-end developer, and I wish I had discovered open source sooner. You know, open source is huge. There's also one aspect that is often overlooked, that is learning in public, and this is definitely possible through learning by working on open source project and building in public. That's why I'd like my community to be a safe place where everyone can write code, submit pull requests, but also review code and suggest, create issues, basically do some cooperation together so that everyone can learn from the experience of everyone else. If you're interested in the two projects, well, you can find them here in the organization page. I also pinned them here, but anyway, you can just go to the URL and you will usually find a README with some description on both the next project and the Quick project. Actually, this one is just starting out. There are quite a few open issues, so in case you want to have a look, well, you're welcome. If you want to join the community and stay updated about the project, well, you should first of all subscribe to this channel, but that's not mandatory. But I highly recommend you to join our Discord server, the link will probably be here in the description, and leave a star on the projects so that they get more visibility and more developers can have a look and have fun together. And this was just a short video because I wanted to introduce you to this community. If you want to join, you can also write your GitHub handle down here and I will be happy to invite you to the community. With that said, thanks for watching this video and see you on GitHub. Bye!